Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Wells Fargo online security and device verification, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up Wells Fargo online security and device verification, begin by visiting the Wells Fargo website. Log into your existing online banking account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Security section. Click on Manage Security Settings to access your security options. Here, you will find the option for device verification. Select Enroll a device if you are using a new device. Follow the prompts to register your current device for added security. You may receive a verification code to your registered phone number or email. Enter this code into the designated field on the website to confirm your device. Once confirmed, your device will be linked to your Wells Fargo account. To enhance your online security further, consider setting up account alerts. Navigate back to the Security section and select Account Alerts. Choose the alerts you want to receive, such as low balance notifications or login attempts. Save your selections to ensure you receive these alerts in real time. Next, enable two-step verification for added protection. Find the two-step verification option and click to enable it. Follow the instructions to link your phone number or authentication app. Make sure to save any changes before exiting the security settings. Finally, periodically review your security settings to ensure they remain effective. By completing these steps, you improve your online banking security with Wells Fargo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.